hop that.
You know, it really irks the hell out of me when one of the questions that you're asked when you get your driver's license is about turn signals. And so many damn people do not use turn signals. And watch this lady right here. First off, she's not even completely in her lane. She's partially in the other lane and the lane she's traveling in. Then she's going to pull right in front of us with no turn signal on. How in the hell is somebody supposed to know you're changing lanes, lady? And I don't give a damn if I know this person or not. It's absolutely insane. Then they take and they make another turn at this light without using a turn signal. It's not that damn hard. It's on every vehicle made in America. And it's usually on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, about halfway down. You know, some cars you pull it up and pull it down. Some cars you pull it forward and pull it back. You know, it all depends on the make of the car. It ain't that damn hard. You see again, not using a turn signal. Folks, this is the exact reason why I preach every time I put one of these videos up. And I'm trying to hold off. I got footage, but I've been trying to hold off not posting footage because it's really negative. But, you know, enough's enough. You know, if you want to know why you should have a dash cam, just watch these videos of mine. Go to my YouTube channel called Whacked Out Drivers and Nati. You'll see numerous videos of stupid stuff like this. People running red lights. I got one video on there where a damn a guy driving a dually truck, you know, the 4 tires on the back, 2 in the front, with over a dozen bags of concrete, almost T-bones a Jeep because they ran the red light. Luckily, they saw him at the last minute and missed it. I'll put a link to that channel down below. But, you know, get off your damn phone, whatever the hell your excuse is you want to use, and put your damn turn signal on.